know my sister Boon is about to do my wig today. I literally have no say-so in her technique or the way that she does my hair. So we're just gonna sit back and relax and see what she can do in this Sister Installs My Wig video. If y'all enjoyed it and want to see more like this, then definitely be sure to give it a thumbs up. And be sure to check out my sister's YouTube channel, D-Side. So today's video is sponsored by OMGHERHair. I will have all of the details about this wig in the description box down below. Now let's go ahead and get right into the video.
This back gotta be for a kid. This yours?
Is that too tight?
Who this for?
Girl!
What?
I just did that whole intro after eating Jolly Rancher.
You got a big one.
Yeah. So inside of the box, you're going to get your wig and a few extra accessories. So I do have the length 20 inches. The hair code is CLW06, all EB. So this wig is from OMGHERHair. It is in the length 20 inches. The hair density is 150%. The whole front is already bleached for us, so we absolutely love that. And the hair texture is deep wave. So it does have the two combs on the side. We have a comb in the back as well as the adjustable straps. And I love the fact that it came with a darker skin toned wig cap. A lot of times those are hard to find, so I like that they have everyone covered, okay? Because we got all shades of melanin, baby. Inside, I also received the OMGHERHair rat tail comb as well as this super cute scarf. It is reversible, so I have two different patterns. I also have the adjustable elastic band, which we're going to add inside of the wig. And then you can move the straps to customize the fit. So I'm just going to go ahead and slip that in on both sides. And it's basically that simple. So if you did want to do a glueless install, using the adjustable band will keep your wig nice and snug and in place. And also included was our thank you card from OMGHERHair. So now we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm super excited to see what D-Side is about to do to my hair, baby. Like, I got the right person for the job today, to be honest, because my sister hair is always laid. The only problem that we might have is that I'm so used to only doing my own hair. Hopefully I can sit still and just relax and be taken care of today.
Bray, Paul be down, bro.
I'm sorry. I didn't know. I ain't used to
already.
So for the stocking cap method, she cut out 2 holes on the side of the ears, and then she's going to use the Got2b glue. This is actually a holding spray, it's not a glue. And instead of using the blow dryer, she had me to just go ahead and sit underneath my bunnet dryer to dry that down. And basically I'm going to be, look at me, see, told y'all I'm used to doing my own hair. She's going to go ahead and cut off the excess stocking cap just using these little eyelash scissors, just so that she can get nice and close to remove the rest of the cap. So to apply the wig today, she's going to use the 𝐼𝐸 Lace Front Wig Glue. It does have a dual tip applicator, so you can just kind of like apply it with one side and then kind of rub it in with the other side. She did do 3 layers just to, you know, make sure that the cap will be held down and then also that the wig will stay on and I won't have to, like, you know, do any touch-ups or anything in the upcoming days. And then she's just going to wait on that to kind of dry clear before we begin applying the wig. So the next step is removing the lace. My sister Boon said that she likes to remove the lace without having the wig applied to the head. And like I said, I'm out of the way and I'm letting her do her thing. So yeah, she's going to use some scissors to just go ahead and cut that off, getting as close as possible to the hairline and then removing the lace all the way around the wig. So I did try to get out a few of the items that I normally may or may not use. My sister prefers to use a powder, so I just showed her my foundation powder, which is like the, y'all know, the Sephora Micro Smooth. Mine is in Mahogany number 56. So she's applying that inside of the lace, and now the glue, basically that last layer, remember I told you all she applied it 3 times, we're basically ready to go ahead and mold her down. So she's gonna use the rat tail comb to sort of work in sections, kind of combing in a backwards direction to get it right into the glue, baby. Like, come on now. D-Side about to get me all the way together. Who in the house? D-Side in the house, okay? If you know, you know. Go and subscribe so you'll know the intro. Who's in the house? I got D-Side at my house. And when D-Side in the house, she gonna lay my wig all the way down. I know that was kind of corny, but I'm not deleting it. Don't say what I said. You are my life, my happiness.
happiest moments weren't complete if you weren't by my side. You're my relation in connection to the sun. With you next to me, there's no darkness I can overcome. You are my raindrops, I am the seed. With you and God who's my sunlight, I bloom and grow so beautifully. Baby, I'm so proud that you're my girl. You make the confusion go all the way from this cold. It makes the world in love with you. You set me free. I can't do this thing called life without you here with me. Cause I'm dangerously in love with you. I'll never leave. Just keep loving me the way you love. You're loving.
Well, you
want the sad part then?
Whatever you do is fine. We probably do it, Aisha.
Oh.
Not if he I'ma go get her order then. I'ma go get her order. You hate when folks do that, bro. I don't mean, my order don't mean that much to you. You know what I'm saying?
I used to ride with people and I used to be doing that. She used to be so
Folks stay.
So the yellow and pink can is also a version of the Got To Be Glued. That one is just the body-fied hairspray. And then she's going to take the hot comb. This is the just the anti-pressing comb, the kind that you kind of plug in. And she's going to make sure that it's like nice and laid and flat. Applying some more of the Nairobi foaming lotion and just combing that through.
You set me free. I can't do this thing called life without you here with me. Cause I'm dangerously in love with you.
Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, this is the part that I'm excited for because I love the way my sister does her edges on her wigs. So I was super excited to be able to have footage firsthand of how she does them. Hopefully the next time I have to do my own wig, girl, I can, you know, copy this. So she parted out, I noticed a really small amount, smaller than the amount that I take out. And then she's going to go ahead and first lay it the way that she wants it to be. And then she trims at it. I normally trim mine first and then I attempt to lay it. But I like the way that she's doing that because you're able to see what you have so far. And, you know, once you cut, you can't put it back. So the fact that she kind of lays it to see how it looks, I like the method. I'm going to have to write that down.
Just keep loving me the way you love me. Every time I see your face.
And also I wanted to show you all that less is more. So we didn't do any plucking with this wig at all. So if you're someone who's like, oh, wearing wigs kind of takes too much, you got to do the plucking, you got to bleach the knots, all of that. We did not have to bleach the knots. And we also didn't do any plucking. So yeah, definitely give this wig a try.
My heart smile every time it feels so good. It hurts sometimes. Created in this world to love, to hold, to feel.
So once everything is nice and laid, she's going to go ahead and tie it down using this scarf while we begin styling the rest of the hair.
You had your head like you were for the same friend.
Oh, I got big hair. People be talking about stuff like, oh, you moving on already?
I move on.
How long you think I'm supposed to stick around and let you try to play me?
I move on that day.
People be, I was with them for 3 years and 8 months, please.
I don't care what you
Like that, it's like that.
I said talk about that.
You did.
They say when people be dealing with heartbreak, that's equivalent to like if you're addicted to a drug and then you want to get off the drug. And they were saying, when you think about the person, like they were saying, you know the person ain't no good for you, right? So you finally leave. But then when you get to think about all the good the person did, that's you want that drug.
But some people, they, you know, if you do a list of the good outweigh the bad, they be stuck.
Ooh.
Look at her.
Baby! Sheesh!
He's getting a lot. He came back with another one on their tail.
Hair change up.
Which my wig make it feel like it's
Put a pump in the robe.
I be liking curly hair on me.
I do too.
I gotta get these sides to do my hair all the time. You be booked this side? And busy. Booked and busy.
I need to.
I can't never get an appointment. I have to suffer and do my own hair.
You do her good though, this.
It's the fresh face for me.
It's me.
I can't wait to do my makeup. So taking a makeup powder and then a small makeup brush and run that down that middle of the part to make it pop and stand out even more. Make it lay, make it slay. What I say? D-side said stay out the way, okay? Yeah, I'm really feeling this. OMG her hair, baby, these curls. This frontal, I love it. The curls are very soft, they're very pretty. We literally, look at me taking credit. My sister didn't really have to do a lot at all. Like, y'all saw, it was effortless. Okay, guys. Oh, it's so flat. Oh my God. I love it. I love it a lot. It's the edges for me. Oh, these soft. Okay, guys. So this is the look. I love this hair. Oh my God. She only used water on the hair in small sections, as you all saw. No, she didn't. Water and the Nairobi foam lotion on the hair. It was easy, or maybe D-side just makes it look easy. I don't know, because her techniques, I learned a lot just sitting here watching this back. Hopefully I can kind of like, you know, copy this the next time I do my own hair again. It looks so good. So that is pretty much the completed look. Shout out to my sister Boon for laying and slaying my hair. Boon, aka D-side, does have her own YouTube channel. I'm definitely going to leave it on the screen for you all to check her out. Oh, this looks so good. The mirror is like right there, so I just keep looking at it. Yeah, I'm feeling this. I just knew that if I was going to install this wig, your girl was gonna need some help, okay? Because glueless methods is usually the way that I go, and I was like, okay, I want to put it on. What people be saying? Put it on, got it on. Yes, I'm feeling this. Oh, I like it a lot. I can't wait till I like do my makeup, put together a cute little outfit. I may or may not come back and update the thumbnail photo once I beat my face. So if you see makeup in the thumbnail, just know. Again, special thank you to OMGHERHair for sponsoring today's video. I will have all of the details about this wig listed in my description box down below, so y'all can go and snatch her up, baby, because look at the curls. Like, hello, who is this? Screenshot me, please. Fresh face vibes, new hair, hoodies. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my... Okay, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.
You set me free. I can't do this thing called life without you here with me, 'cause I'm dangerously in love with you.
Don't mind me, I'm just trying to get a thumbnail.
Pretty, baddest